Hi everyone, Tiny Home Decor Consultant here with part 13, building a tiny home. Spray foam. Oh yeah. Woo. Forgive the attire everyone. It's been very hot, as you'll see in the upcoming video during these days, which is great for spray foaming. Spray foaming. But my God, it's so hot today. Okay, my little devil. It's convenient that they painted in a fire orange, because my God, it's one hell of a job. See, let's go take a tour of what he's got done, and let's go stop in and talk with him about the process on how to do it, how to spray the underneath even, and if he finds it a pleasurable experience. See you on the other side.
Don't get it in your eye.
Yeah. I would just like to say that it's about 10,000 degrees in here today. Sweating your what off? Your butt off!
The balls of my feet. Outside, as recommended by the foreman.
Yeah, the poor lady. Okay, so let's take a look at the difference. So FYI, fellow followers, do as the book says.
You're not improvised like I do.
Oh, this is often what gets Chad in trouble. This is the outside wall. These are the air vents for the plumbing, so they won't have water running through them. But we would still like to protect. Are you getting nice and behind this pipe?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see it expanding really well. It's a chia pet. Babe, the fumes are bad.
Yeah.
Give us a piece of advice.
Spray foaming sucks.
Are you almost done so you can come down?
Yeah, I want to get this done and then just double check, make sure there's nothing else I got to do up here.
The last day of the global effing heat wave. It is exactly 4,085 degrees out here. But for all of the folks that saw my living in an RV, or how to survive winter in an RV, I should say, this is for you. I've been asked to show the spray foaming. This is the position one must be in. Flat on the back. Recommend tarp so you don't get insect infestations and you can clean up easily. And we're just gonna watch, just gonna picture frame. it's just the same. You'll be working in sections though.
Normally I would start up here, but I'm starting here for picture clarity. Just start your picture frame. Whoa, whoa.
What happened, Chad? This is like premature spray foam evacuation. I would say that the protection, the nozzle was not in place. Can I have them with you?
Yes.
Oh, look at. And make sure you have pockets, because then you can.
I have the tip.
Tip is on.
I have the tip on it.
Okay.
All right. And we're gonna, whoa.
Okay. You didn't do a picture frame. It will go into the cavity. Come over.
Expand pretty soon.
And